Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Good morning, everyone. Are you ready to transform your breakfast routine? Cooking oatmeal with milk isn't just about nutrition, it's about creating a truly comforting and creamy start to your day. This simple method adds a delightful richness that water just can't quite match. It's incredibly satisfying, and you'll find it becomes a fast favorite, perfect for those brisk mornings when you need something warm and wholesome. Before we begin, let's gather our simple ingredients and tools. For a single serving, grab half a cup of rolled oats and 1 cup of your favorite milk, whether that's dairy, almond, or oat milk. You'll also need a medium saucepan if you're cooking on the stove, or a microwave-safe bowl for a quicker option. A measuring cup and a stirring spoon are essential too, of course. Let's dive into the classic stovetop method for truly creamy oatmeal. Pour your measured oats and milk into a medium saucepan. Turn the heat to medium and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, making sure to stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Once it starts bubbling, reduce the heat to low and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until it reaches your desired creamy consistency. This patient process yields the best results. If you're short on time, the microwave method is your best friend. Combine your oats and milk in a large, microwave-safe bowl. This helps prevent boilovers. Microwave on high for 1 to 2 minutes, pausing to stir after about 1 minute. The exact time varies with your microwave, so watch it closely. Once cooked, give it a good stir and let it rest for about a minute to thicken up nicely. Now for the best part, enjoying your delicious, creamy oatmeal. Ladle it into your favorite bowl and get creative with your toppings. Fresh berries, sliced banana, a sprinkle of nuts, or a drizzle of honey all make wonderful additions. Experiment with different types of milk or even a pinch of cinnamon to find your perfect flavor. It's a versatile canvas for your breakfast creativity, truly making it your own.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.